It's the whole name of the game.
I think they ran power 3 down. They just right now.
Give me the one underneath that one, please. Okay. The novation. Who says? Ooh.
With Marvin?
I've been Marvin about a year and a half.
Yeah.
I met Marty in December, so
Yeah, I know.
it's going to be maybe about a half year.
Definitely got a get the tape right?
Yeah, it's taping.
I know. Yeah, I've been Marvin about a year and a half.
Can you introduce the singer?
Yeah. Want to introduce a new up-and-coming artist
Serenade me a little.
coming out of Long Island Valley Stream.
You're soothing vocal.
Richie Tone.
So,
Richie Tone.
well,
I call Richie
I'm not
Tone.
Barry.
Say your name.
My name is Curtis
Not too
Smith.
many are.
Yeah.
Oh,
With
good.
Nivra Productions.
Hello.
And
How are you out there, Mike
co-producers
Cheese?
of Richie
It's
Tone,
been a while
new
since
singer coming out of Valley Stream.
Great for now. We'll see you tonight in the performance.
hello,
See you
one,
tonight in the
two.
performance.
How you
Check
doing,
them out.
sir?
Go ahead,
Glenn
man.
Pearl, are you ready?